Alright guys, today I'm doing this. I'm going to do what you guys have been asking me for so long, and I think now is the perfect time for it. So they've been asking me how do I do my beach waves. Today I'm going to show you guys. My hair, it's already straight. Okay, I already blow dried. So if you guys have a straight or soft hair, you just need to air dry. You don't need to do lots of straightening. So yeah, so what do you need to do the beach waves? I'm going to use this curling iron. It's not too thin, it's a medium. Okay, you need a comb, you need the clips, and eye spray or texturizer. Guys, I'm gonna part my hair in the middle because I love in the center part. Okay. All right. So I'm going to divide my hair in two sections. It doesn't need to be perfect, guys. It's just to separate and be easier for you to do it, okay? So I'm going to start here at the back side. I'm going to get my curling iron. It has to be facing down, okay? And I'm going to open and I get this strand and I'm going to roll it backwards, guys, and I'm going to leave at the ends a little bit out. I'm going to leave here just for a few seconds. Okay, and gently I'm gonna put it down. I'm getting big strands because I like it to be messy and effortless. I don't like it to be too tight and too smooth. You can slide back and forth. So I'm going to do now at this side. Guys, if you want your curls to last longer, you just leave it, the curling iron, a little bit longer, okay? So this side is the same. You get the curling iron also facing down and you're gonna roll it backwards. Guys, the secret of the beach waves, it's you to take thin and thicker strands. And it doesn't need to be perfect. Because what we are looking for, it's for the messy look. Alright guys, this part is already done. I will do now the top part. As you can see guys, I get big parts, huh? So I'm going to do this in slow motion for you to see the front side. Guys, it's really important before you do all the styling, beach waves, straightening, blow dry, you apply the heat protect, because that's gonna protect your hair so it doesn't get damaged, okay? I go a little bit closer to the roots because I like it, the volume. It helps to create volume. If you don't like the volume close to the roots, you can go a little bit lower. Okay? So here in the front, I just leave it a little bit. Just a touch. Okay. So now the other side is the same thing. I'm gonna get the big strand here. If you guys want the effect of beach waves, don't put the ends inside. You always leave it a little bit out. And gently put it down. So now guys, is the best part for me is to destroy the beach waves. That's to create the messy look. So I'm going to use the hairspray to finalize, okay? You can use any hairspray, or you can use a texturizer or a dry shampoo. I love all of them, but today I'm going to use just a fixing spray. So other secret guys, when you open the beach wave, I open my beach waves, I don't put the hands in the hair, I put in the roots, okay? So I put my fingers inside the roots and I just shake it like that. Okay, and you put some spray. And you shake it a little bit more. Alright guys, so this is the final result. Beach Waves by Frances. Let me know if you guys liked the video and let me know what you guys want to see here next. I hope you guys are all well and stay safe at home and with a beautiful hair. Bye bye.